class 11-12 physics, electrostatics, Coulomb's law of electricity, first law. Same polarity of charges repel each other and opposite polarity of charges attract each other. Here we shown some drawing. Like charges repel. This is plus plus, it will be repel. Minus minus, it will be repel. Unlike two opposite charges, plus or minus, minus or plus, they will be attract each other. This is the distance between two r. Second law of Coulomb's, force exerted between 2 points of charges, it may be plus plus, it may be minus minus, it may be plus minus, minus plus, is proportional to their product of strength of charge, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance, and it will be inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Now explanation are given now. Let Q1 and Q2 is unit charge, F is force exerted between two, and R is the distance between two charges. Second law, first portion states that F proportional to product of two charges Q1 and Q2. From second law, second portion states that F proportional to 1 by R square. Now combination of 1 and 2, we get F proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square. Now if we put a constant, then F equal to K into Q1 Q2 by R square. K is a 1 by 4 pi eta 0 as per SI. Eta 0 equal to 8.854 185 into 10 to the power minus 12 c square, n to the power minus 1, m to the power minus 2. Now 1 by putting the value of eta 0, we get 1 by 4 pi eta 0 equal to, ultimately we get 9 into 10 to the power 9 Newton meter square divided by Coulomb square approximately. In other medium, K is 1 by 4 pi E. So in SI, F equal to 1 by 4 pi eta equal to Q1 Q2 divided by R square. Thank you. If you like, subscribe the channel.